Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Dr. Bhagwan Lal Kalal, Department of Chemistry, IPS Academy, Indore. Now we are going to perform estimation of caffeine experimentally. For this, first of all, we prepare 200 ppm caffeine solution in water, 250 ml. That is of concentration of 200 ppm. This is the stock solution. This solution is used for preparing different dilution. Here we are going to make 4 dilution, that is 25 ppm, 50 ppm, 75 ppm and 100 ppm. The amount that is required to form this solution we calculate by formula N1V1 equal to N2V2. For 25 ppm we required 6.5 ml of 200 ppm caffeine. For 50 ml we required 12.5 ml. For 75 ml we required 18.75 ml, and for 100 ppm solution we required a stock solution of 25 ml. That our solution are already made, so that experiment goes easily. Now these solution are used, these dilution are used to perform experiment. We have to take 1 ml of caffeine solution, caffeine dilution, okay, and 5 ml of dichloromethane. Both these solution are put into this separating funnel and shaked for 5 minutes. Okay. After that we keep it for some time, so that both the layer of caffeine solution and dichloromethane get separated. After that in both layer, dichloromethane as heavier, its density is higher than water, that it goes that it lie lower layer. We separate this lower layer and collect in this iodine flask. Again water layer remain in this separating funnel. Now again we take 5 ml of dichloromethane in the separating funnel and again shake for 5 minutes, and again we separate the dichloromethane layer. Okay. We perform this experiment with all these dilution. Now I am going to demonstrate you the similar procedure with the soft drink. So let us start the experiment with extraction with soft drink. So I am going to first take 1 ml of soft drink. First of all, I take this soft drink into this beaker. Here I am going to take 1 ml of soft drink. Take care that no bubble formation take place in this pipette. Yes. Now I have taken 1 ml of soft drink in separating funnel. I am repeating this step again. As the valve was open, so ensure that the valve of separating funnel close before taking soft drink. With soft drink, there is a problem that there is take place of bubble formation in capillary pipette. So, be careful that no bubble formation take place in the pipette. Here I have taken 1 ml of soft drink in separating funnel. Now take 5 ml of dichloromethane. I have taken 5 ml of dichloromethane in separating funnel. Now put stopper on the mouth of separating funnel and shake the content of separating funnel for 5 minutes.